Thank you so much, Learning Coaches, for taking the time to watch this newsletter. I'll keep it really short and brief because I know everyone is enjoying their snow day. I wanted to quickly go over what is expected in a snow day for our school. I know there are many students, many families that are new to our school, so here's an overview of what to expect for today because we have no school today. We still have online assignments that do need to be completed on OLS, but there are no live classes, is what that means. So students are still expected to complete their assignments on OLS. No live classes. Please, please, please reach out to us if you are without power or need any assistance during this time. And this is a list for today of all the assignments that your student is responsible for completing. Hopefully, within that time, they can complete some assignments, go play outside in the snow, enjoy their day off, maybe even catch up on some overdue assignments. This day is a great opportunity for students who have those overdue assignments to start completing them and to make sure that they are caught up. All right, standards for this week. Standards for my class for language arts right here, we're going to be covering, I can explain how specific images help me to understand the text better. So we're looking at diagrams, photographs, drawings, etc. For Miss Wright's class, her math class, you will be adding and subtracting within 1,000 using concrete models or drawings, using different strategies. You can read the rest of that if you'd like to. All right, looking ahead for the rest of February, we do not have live classes on February 25th or February 26th. Again, those are no live classes, but the students are still expected to complete assignments on OLS. Also, an exciting update for both homerooms. We all have access to something called Khan Academy. Miss Wright has been working really hard to get this set up for everyone. This is a fantastic resource if your student is not meeting grade level, meaning maybe they need a little bit more practice with their math, maybe they are ahead in their math and they need something more challenging. This is an amazing resource. There are so many great activities, so many great helpful walkthroughs if you're even struggling to help your student with the math, because second grade, that is something that is super common in second grade, especially second semester, is the math gets just a little bit more challenging. So if you're struggling understanding something that we're doing in our math classes, or your student maybe needs a little bit of a challenge, or maybe just needs some review of some concepts that were covered in maybe first grade or kindergarten, check out this resource. This is a fantastic resource and it is free for our families. Miss Wright has set this up for us. Go ahead and pause your video if you'd like to write down this info. You can get signed up and have access to this amazing resource. So thank you so much to Miss Wright for getting that set up for us. Another fantastic resource that we have available for us on OLS is something called the Big Universe Library. We had a lot of families reach out to us this week asking about how to access a specific book that was attached to a lesson on the OLS assignments. First place that we need to check is this Big Universe Library. And if you're on this new and improved OLS homepage, then you would go into resources over here on the side. And once you click resources, this page will pop up, and Big Universe Library is where we need to check first if we have an assignment that comes up that requires us to use a book that maybe wasn't included in your course materials that were sent to you in the mail, or your student just is looking for more books to read at home. Maybe they're kind of bored on the snow day. This is a fantastic resource. It's free for all students in our school. Make sure you check it out. There should be those books on there that are attached to those lessons that maybe you didn't get a hard copy of with your course materials. So check there first before emailing us. And again, that's a great resource. It looks something like this when you click into it. Great books on here. You can even sort by the Lexile score, which you will find on your NWEA report for your student. It'll say Lexile number or Lexile score. That's basically just showing you what reading level is appropriate for your child. So maybe your child needs more of a challenge, and that Lexile score will represent that. And so you'll be able to find books that are right at their level, maybe even a little bit more challenging for them. So this is a great, great resource. And then if you're using the OLS Classic View, either one is fine. This is the Classic View. You'll find that Big Universe Library link over to the side on your quick links. And you would just click into that and it would take you to the same page as it would for this new and improved version, but this is your Classic View. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope that it was helpful information, and we will see you tomorrow. Stay safe.